It is super peaceful out here. This is a real nice spot. Recommendable. Joey in the pouch. You see the little Joey? Very cute. They might be really used to people here, so they might expect food. My last camping trip, I punctured my airbed and I tried to fix it with duct tape, which did not really work. So I ended up buying a proper repair kit, which is this guy, and I'm hoping that will do the trick. If it doesn't, then I'm probably gonna have a rough night again, but I assume this, you know, this stuff will work. So we'll see how that goes. And that's the puncture just there, so I'll be working on that. I think that's all I need. Alright, it says to leave that for 15 minutes until it becomes sticky. We'll come back to that in a minute, and hopefully that will fix my problem if the wind doesn't grab it. Somehow I forgot to bring my chair. I don't know how I missed that, so I might go sit near the river and put my feet in the water because it is pretty hot. That will probably be nice, and then I'll get back to some dinner maybe. I think it might be time for a beer actually. That was about 5 to 10 minutes. It's really a hot wind at the moment, so I might just put it on a bit earlier. Now, I didn't read it in the manual, which, you know, instructions, what are they for? And it says it needs 24 hours to dry. I don't have 24 hours, so I'm hoping this will do the trick. If not, I won't be sleeping very well. This has been a really good trip again. The roads weren't that great, lots of traffic, so it wasn't too good. But this is amazing. It's really hot at the moment, over 30 degrees. But the water is beautiful, so that cools me down a lot. Yeah, it's not too busy. There's a few families and people around, but nothing too crazy. I'll probably have the the flaps open tonight on the tent because it's going to be that hot. So I might be able to see the stars. Might have some chips. Starting to cool down a bit, which is good. I might still have the windows open because it would be nice to see the stars. Unfortunately, I can't get you guys to see it because I don't have a camera that does stars, but you'll just have to believe me. You only have 2 beers, you gotta make it count. Oh, I got La Trappa. No, that didn't work as planned. I guess it got shaken up a bit in the bike. Well, that was a bit of a mess. There's another tip, don't open your beer in the tent. Might get a little bit sticky.